Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the U channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you the best web series which you can watch anytime. I hope you do like it and do watch it till the end to know about all the fantastic web series ahead. So not much wasting of the time, let's get to it. First, Peaky Blinders. Peaky Blinders is a British period crime drama series which was released in 2013. It has 5 seasons which follows the exploits of Shelby crime family with the lead character Tommy Shelby, also known as Thomas Shelby. This season and this series has earned many awards like National Television Award for Outstanding Drama Performance and many more. Whereas Tommy Shelby, being a dangerous man, leader of the Peaky Blinders gang in Birmingham, where various people tried to bring him and his gang down. The series shows how the gang will survive during their expansion, and the next season will be arriving soon as it is under shooting. But as I have heard from the sources, the shooting has been stopped due to the current situation of COVID. So let's get to the next one. Second, Mindhunter. Mindhunter, an American psychological crime thriller series based on the 1995 true crime book Mindhunter. It has 2 seasons which was released in 2017. Awards are being given to this season, that is Satellite Award for Best Actor in a Series, getting into criminals' minds to understand their thinking during committing a crime, especially going after all the serial killers who are psychs. This series can seriously take your mind to the next level with the urge of seeking all the answers in your mind. You will literally be astonished to watch such a series which plays games in your minds, which will hold on to you until the end. Now third, True Detective, an American anthology crime drama series which has 3 seasons, which was released in 2014, and the awards are Primetime Creative Arts Emmy Award for Outstanding Main Title Design. This series shows us leading to the face of the most dark secrets about themselves while solving various horrible cases with twisted ends to get to the actual crime. This series can definitely involve you to solve the case while concentrating on the episodes till the end. This series really plays many games with our mind. During the series, you can watch different kinds of dark and most horrible things that can really happen with human beings. Fourth, Dark. So this Dark series is a German science fiction thriller series which has 3 seasons, and this was released in 2017. There are 2 children gone missing in a small town of Germany. Various flashbacks can be noticed among the relationships between 4 families in the series. This series holds puzzle-filled and twists which fires up the curiosity of finding the unsolved mystery. Dark series is famous for its fantastic creation of a mystery thriller series, forcing the viewer, creating curiosity for understanding the scene. This series has many things about future, past, and dealing with the past and future thing. So now coming on to the 5th one, that is Manhunt Unabomber. This series is fictionalized purpose of the FBI's hunt for the Unabomber. This is a crime drama series which has 2 seasons, which was released in 2017. This series focused on catching a single criminal, solving his messages to catch him, where a special task force is launched just to hold off this criminal. Agent Fitz in the series, with the help of forensics, tried to create the whole new idea and new approaches to capture the single Unabomber criminal. This is a slow but very interesting series, knowing the various techniques and system being circulated to catch the criminal. I hope you will definitely like this series. Now getting on to the sixth one, that is Breaking Bad. Whoa, an American neo-western crime drama series which has 5 seasons, which was released in 2008. And the awards are Golden Globe Award for the Best Television Series and more. Walter White, being a character in Breaking Bad, who is a chemistry teacher in a school, notices that he is diagnosed with cancer, resulting in entering into the world of the most famous drug meth manufacturing business. He gets into the business to repay his debts, but down the line his priorities changes after starting the partnership with Jesse and getting involved with the underworld. This series has a lot of terror revolving around the lives of Walter White and his family. Now on the seventh one, The Night Manager. The Night Manager is a British television mini-series which has only 1 season, whereas awards have been given to this mini-series, which is Golden Globe Award for the best performance by an actor in mini-series. The story revolves around an ex-British soldier hired by an intelligence department as an undercover officer for an covert operation. The individual is responsible for breaking the inner circle of an arms dealer, which in turn is also his lover's killer. This is one of the best miniseries to watch, which involves various mind-blowing events. Now on to the 8th one, Money Heist, a Spanish heist crime drama television series which has 4 seasons, released in 2017. The story is about the criminal mastermind, the professor, to plan to pull off one of the biggest heists in the history, resulting in printing currency in the Royal Mint of Spain. To carry out the plan of the professor recruits 8 people with different abilities capable to carry out the biggest heist. There occurs many unwanted situations of getting caught, where the professor with his skills defines to escape, falling in love with the police officer itself. One of the best series, indulging oneself, creating the best curiosity for many series. Now on the 9th one, Game of Thrones. Whoa, an American fantasy drama television series adaptation of A Song of Ice and Fire, a series of fantasy novels by George R.R. Martin. It has 8 seasons, which was released in 2011. The story portrays 9 noble families in different regions trying to get control over the mythical land of Westeros, whereas occurs the army of dead trying to vanish away the living. In between, the struggle begins between houses, starting war against each other, owning to different power. One of the best series to watch the war and politics between individuals, resulting in the skills of survival in the most harsh moments. Now on to the last and the 10th one, Vikings, an action television series which has 5 seasons, which was released in 2013. Ragnar Lothbrok, being a farmer, turns up into the legendary warrior and the commander of Viking tribe. With the support of the various families trying to survive and fight against the enemies. This series catches hold of raids while exploring the world, trying to create the Viking tribe most powerful, fighting various wars. Ragnar Lothbrok is seen trying hard to catch hold of all the families and the tribe to be the superior around every region. So these are the most famous web series of all the time which can blow off your mind. So I will really appreciate if you watch this series, and please do comment on my video how did you like each series. So thank you so much guys. Keep watching my video.